An arborist is a tree surgeon in the most basic sense of the term. An arborist is a professional who works in the field of arboriculture. In horticulture, arboriculture refers to the study, management, and cultivation of trees, shrubs, and other seasonal woody plant life. Here are the reasons why we need an arborist. First, arborists are experts in tree care. Taking care of your trees on a regular basis will ensure that they grow healthily and stay in top shape for many years to come. A certified arborist is better equipped to perform tree care and maintenance services since they are trained to recognize tree diseases and provide the most effective treatment. In addition, an arborist will advise you on how to prevent insects, diseases, and other disturbances from harming your trees. Second, arborists are qualified to work on trees in a safe manner. The average household will lack the necessary tools and equipment to perform tree care in the safest possible manner. An arborist could be required to climb a tree to remove an unwanted branch that is scraping your top-story bedroom window. When an arborist needs to climb on your trees, they have all of the required equipment to guarantee that the task is done safely. An arborist can assure that a tree which is a couple of stories tall is securely transplanted and transported to its new location when completing a tree transplant. Third, storm damage can be fixed by arborists. Arborists have been trained to deal with difficulties. They assist with storm damage by managing dangers that may arise as a result of severe winds or hail. Hazards are not always visible to the casual eye, and fixing them might come with several dangers. Although it is hard to safeguard the entire tree against storm damage, a qualified arborist can evaluate your trees and property for conditions that could cause them to fail. Fourth, arborists have the proper equipment for the job. When compared to most other jobs, the tree business is quite dangerous. It needs a deep understanding of tree biology and physics. An arborist needs several different sorts of equipment. Climbing massive trees, ensuring that huge limbs that have been chopped get it to the ground safely, and transporting the correct tools up and down a tree all require rigging equipment. Pulleys, slings, carabiner, cable hoists, and a lot of rope are among the rigging instruments. For working arborists, cutting equipment is an evident requirement. Cutting tools include handsaw, pruners, pole saws, axes, wedges, and wood chippers, to name a few. Trimming equipment is a distinct type of a tool than cutting equipment and is frequently required. An arborist will use trimming equipment rather than cutting equipment if a tree crown reduction is required. The specific tools used frequently overlap with cutting equipment, but the method the instrument is utilized differs significantly. To get up and down a tree safely, they require climbing equipment. What does arborist do? Keep on watching! Arborist involves in tree planting. As a tree specialist, they know the ideal time to plant trees and the optimal circumstances for their growth. They know what soil type and depth are best for which tree species, as well as how much room and light each kind need. They are also well versed in the most effective planting procedures and methods for producing a healthy tree. Next, arborists can do tree removal. Tree removal is done to remove tree damaged, dying, or diseased trees, as well as those that pose a threat to the property. It is also essential when the tree in issue is restricting sunlight from reaching other plants. A qualified arborist can assist you in determining whether or not a tree should be removed. They will assist with the removal of infected trees to ensure that they are removed properly and that the disease does not spread to other trees and plants. Trees are chosen and transplanted by arborists. Arborists prune, cable, fertilize, plant, and remove trees. They treat trees for insects and illnesses that are damaging to them. In brief, Arborists guarantee that the trees they care for grow well and remain structurally sound so that future generations can enjoy them. At the same time, many types of animals can live at the trees, and this will ensure the diversity of ecosystem. You should see an arborist if you notice any of the above warning indications in your trees. They could be hazard trees, which are trees that are likely to fall and ruin what is nearby, such as your home. It is a good idea to contact a certified arborist at this point. An arborist can help you save your tree.